Find the gain or transfer function. So pag sinabi natin gain, okay, so this is B out S over B in S. Or kung sa diagram, merong C tsaka R, transfer function is CS over RS. So dito guys, titingnan natin yung arrangement ng block diagram at transfer or summing junction. Ito yung summing junction, itong bilog. Ang titingnan natin, madalas itong sign dito. Ito pwedeng plus, pwedeng minus. So ang pinaka-equation natin dito, para makuha yung gain or transfer function, yung C over R, this is equivalent to, okay, merong numerator. Ang ilalagay natin sa numerator, yung main path na tinatawag. Itong nasa taas, itong linya ng R papuntang C. So isa lang naman yung block diagram or yung mismong block, yan lang ang numerator natin, G. So in some example, yung G may specific value yan. So for this example muna, gamit lang muna tayo ng variable G. Sa ilalim, this can be 1 and then minus plus. Okay? So ima-minus plus natin yung product ng main path. Ito yung main path and yung feedback. So what is the product? G and H. But in this case, positive or plus yung nasa junction, nasa summing junction ng feedback. So ang gagamitin natin dyan ay minus. Minus GH. So for this example, the gain or the transfer function is G over 1 minus GH. So next example. So kung makikita nyo naman dito, yung feedback papuntang sa aming junction, negative yung sign. So to solve for the gain or transfer function, C over R, this is equivalent. Again, ang numerator yung galing sa main path, which is G. Sa denominator, 1 plus dahil minus yung nandito. Then product of G and H. So this is the gain. Ito yung gain or transfer function for this example. Okay, so next example, yan, may mga specific value na. So CS over RS, this is equivalent to the main path, which is 4 over 1. And then, since plus ito, minus tayo dito. Then, product of 4 and 1 half. So, i-compute lang natin yan. Okay, so, ang numerator mo, 4. Ang denominator mo, lumalabas na 1. 4 times 1 half is 2, di ba? So, this is just 4 over negative 1. So, negative 4. So, ito yung gain nung circuit or nung block diagram na to. Okay? So, next. So, paano naman kung dalawa yung rectangle dun sa main path? So, pag ganyan, cascaded ang tawag dyan. Kapag cascaded, minumultiply lang. Okay? So, ang CS, RS natin equals main path, yung cascaded connection. So 3 times 5. Sa denominator, 1 minus dahil plus dito. Then the product of main path and the feedback. So ang main path natin, 3 times 5. And then ang feedback, 1/3. So this is 15 over 1. So yung 3 times 5, 15 times 1/3, magiging 5. Okay? So this is 15 over 4. Negative 15 over 4. So kung sa board exam naka-decimal yan, hanapin nyo na lang or i-express nyo sa decimal. Okay? Next. Okay. So paano naman ngayon kung multiple feedback? So unahin muna natin yung first feedback, yung inner feedback. So ito muna. Wala ako ng isang ink. So ito muna yung kukunin natin. Okay? So kapag kinuha natin ang result niyan, di ba? 3 over 1 minus dahil ito yung sign ng saming junction ng feedback na yan. And then 3 times 1 over 4. So this is equivalent to compute lang natin 12. Equivalent yan sa 12. So meaning, magkakaroon tayo ng panibagong block diagram wherein ang involved, ito na lang. So yung na-compute natin na 12, yan na ngayon ang laman ng main path. And then yung isa pang feedback, yung 1/2. Okay? So, yan, lagay lang natin yung ibang mga parameters. Okay. So therefore, ang CS over RS natin in this case is 12. Diba? Yan yung main path over 1 minus dahil plus yung nandito sa feedback. Then the product of 12 and 1/2. Okay. So this is 12 over 1 and then yung 12 times 1/2 is 6. So our answer here is negative 12 over 5. Okay, so ito yung gain or transfer function.